Hey, my name is Christopher Chan, and today I'm going to show you how to do backside 360s. Backside 360 is a backside 360 turn with your body, and your board goes with you. So backside 360 shove it with the backside body varial, I guess. 360 body varial. Okay, so an important trick to have before trying the backside 360s is the backside 180. It's pretty much a necessity to learn backside 360s. Another thing is that if you can do like backside 180s and then land on the toe and revert, that's also really helpful. This is the backside 180. This is the backside 180 revert. And I would say that's a good way to start learning this trick, because if you can start landing and then doing a slow pivot, you pivot 180 degrees even, and then if you get good at that and then you start pivoting 150 degrees and then 100 degrees, you just slowly start pivoting less and less until you get the full rotation, then that's a good idea. You can do the backside 180 and a pivot. I think it's cool if it's all in one motion. That's how I do them. Or if you're gifted genetically and you got the backside 360 full way, then that's awesome too. So for the foot positioning for this trick, I've seen a lot of variability in terms of how people set up their feet for this trick. It's really hard to say. I like to put my foot around right there. I don't hang it off too much, I hang it off a little bit. Front foot, slightly angled maybe, just like right there. And I scoop my back foot here. It's a little bit more of a pop than a scoop actually. So it's a little scoop, but mostly pop, I would say. And the front foot doesn't really do anything, except you're just turning your shoulders and your front foot follows, and your back foot comes around as well. And backside 360. So a major problem that I used to have with this trick, and you probably have too when learning this trick, is just keeping up with the board. Either it's way ahead or it gets behind. It just gets messy when you just turn 360 and you scoop hard. So you just got to try to focus on keeping your shoulders in parallel with the board. So just try to have your shoulders ahead, and then you scoop, and then your legs will follow. So try to keep your upper body ahead, because a lot of times when I tried learning this trick for the first time, I would just scoop and I would land like twisted, and it would just be really hard for me to keep my upper body with the rotation of the trick. And even if you try that, if you do that, it's still frustrating. Like even when I knew to turn my shoulders, I still couldn't do it. Like it took me so long to learn this trick. So key is just repetition and practice. This trick took me so long to learn, and still to this day I have problems with it. So if you're frustrated, man, I understand you. I feel you. It's a hard trick. I hope you guys enjoyed this trick tip. I hope something I said helped you out. If you guys want to see more skate videos from Braille, you can click right here. It's an amazing channel. I definitely recommend that you check it out. Also, you guys should check out Skateboarding Made Simple if you want to learn the basics to learn this trick or any other trick. There's really a lot of detailed trick tip tutorials in there, so check that out. Click my face if you want to subscribe to my channel. I do videos too, skateboarding stuff, right here. Bye.